Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is a presentation of jam making experiment. For introduction, jam can be categorized as an intermediate moisture food, which it contains between 15 to 30% of moisture content that make it stable and can be stored without refrigeration. Jam includes jellies, preserve and also marmalade. The key to preservation in jam is due to the high sugar content, which can lower the water activity of the product itself. The quality of jam will depend on the pectin, sugar, and acid that contributes to gel formation. Basically, by definition, jam is made from fruit pulp, whereas jelly is made from fruit juice, which the pulp has been removed, and marmalade is made from the rind of fruits like lemon or orange. The objective of this experiment is to learn the methods of making jam and to understand the function of sugar, acid, and pectin in the jam making.
The materials are pulp, water, sugar, pectin, and citric acid. In the method section, as you can see from the table, there are 4 treatments including control. The treatment 1 without sugar, treatment 2 without citric acid, and treatment 3 without pectin. The procedures follow: the skin of fruits will be peeled off, the flesh will be removed and will be cut into small cubes, the fruit will be chopped further into fine pulp, the pulp will be divided into 4 portions, and the following treatments will be conducted. 250 grams of pulp will be placed into a pot. 50 grams of water will be added and simmer over slow heat to soften the fruit tissue. Pectin, which is grade 150, will be mixed with 375 grams of sugar and will be added into the fruit pulp little by little and continue stirring. It will be cooked until the Brix reading reaches 60-degree Brix. Then citric acid will be added and continue mixing. The jam will be filled into sterilized plastic containers. Then it will be covered and allowed to cool. The experiments will be repeated following the different treatments as listed in Table 1. The jam will be stored for a week at room temperature, and all the 4 types of jam prepared will be evaluated for color, texture, and odor. The results will be discussed. This is the example of jam making without using pectin. 2 medium of pineapple will be used and chopped, then add to blender, then blend. Then the juice will be poured into a large steel pan and 2 cups of sugar will be added. Switch on the flame and stir the mixture. Once the sugar melts, it will be liquidy. Once it boils, simmer the flame. After 15 minutes on low flame, the jam will become thicker. Add another 5 minutes. Stir well or it will stick to the pan. The jam has already thickened. The jam will thicken more once it cools down. Add in 6 cloves that has been crushed. The clove gives a nice flavor to the jam. Mix well. Squeeze in 1 lemon. The lemon acts as the citric acid. Mix well and switch off the flame. The jam will thicken once it cools down. The jam will be ready in 20 minutes. Allow the jam to cool down completely and then transfer to a clean jar and keep refrigerated. It will stay good for months.
As for the expected result, control should have normal texture, appearance, and taste as the normal jam. For treatment 1, sugar is not added. The jam should be less sweet, light color because there is no caramelization occur. And after 1 week, it is expected to have microbial growth compared to the other jam. In treatment 2, citric acid is not added. The jam will become less acidic and can cause carboxyl group in the pectin to ionize. This will prevent the gel formation. The jam should be less gel-like texture compared to treatment 1. In treatment 3, pectin is not added. The jam should be not have gel-like texture.